After our wedding reception, my wife and I headed to our hotel, full of joy and love. All I could think of was making sweet, passionate love to the woman I had just married. We took showers, slipped into bed, and as I slowly started to romance her, everything felt right. But just when I was about to penetrate, my penis went soft, completely soft. I was devastated, confused, embarrassed. If you've experienced this, you're not alone. And more importantly, it's not the end of your story. Today, we're breaking down why this happens to many young men and what you can do about it. What's really happening? Sexual issues are not just old man problems. More and more men in their 20s and 30s are reporting trouble with losing an erection midway, ejaculating too early, feeling emotionally disconnected during sex, and most suffer in silence. Let's dive into the causes, starting with your mind. Number 1. Performance anxiety. This is the number one reason young men struggle with erections. You're excited but nervous. Your mind is racing. What if I don't last long enough? What if she's not satisfied? What if I fail? This triggers your body fight or flight response. Adrenaline spikes, blood flow and redirected from your penis to your limbs because your brain thinks you're in danger, not in love. Number 2. Porn-Induced Erectile Dysfunction or PIED. If you've been watching porn regularly since your teens, your brain may be desensitized to real-life intimacy. Porn overstimulates your reward system with a quick, endless novelty. Over time, this creates dopamine resistance. You need more extreme content to feel the same arousal. When you're with a real partner, your brain can't match that excitement. Result? Your struggle to get or maintain an erection. Number 3. Hormonal imbalance. Low testosterone isn't just for older men. Factors like poor sleep, stress, obesity, smoking, and plastics or BPA can lower your T levels fast. Testosterone powers libido, stamina, and arousal. When it's low, you might feel tired, moody, and sexually uninterested, even in someone you're deeply attracted to. Number 4. Pelvic floor dysfunction. Those muscles below your belt, if they're weak or overly tight, can lead to premature ejaculation or soft erections. Most men never train these muscles even though they are key to control and staying power. Why some men finish too fast? Premature ejaculations or PE affects 1 in 3 men at some point. If you're finishing faster than you want, within a minute or two, you're not alone. Types of BE. Lifelong. It's always been this way. Acquired. It started later, often due to stress, health changes, and relationship dynamics. What causes it? Oversensitivity. Some men have more nerve endings in the glands, head of the penis. Lack of experience. Without enough sexual experience, it's hard to pace yourself. Emotional tension, stress, and overexcitement can accelerate climax. Prostate inflammation, known as prostatitis, it can cause hypersensitivity. Many men also experience a frustrating cycle. You lose your erection once, you get anxious, then finish too quickly next time, which causes more anxiety, and the cycle continues. But here's the hope: you can fix this naturally. Let's talk healing. No pills, no shame, just honest, natural solutions. Number 1. Master your nervous system. You need to be relaxed, not tense. You have a full erection and lasting control. That's where mindfulness and deep breathing come in. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Repeat this when you feel anxious or overstimulated. It shifts your body into rest and arousal mode. Number 2. Strengthen your pelvic floor. Yes, men can do Kegels. This improves blood flow, control, and stamina. Try this. Contract the muscle you'd use to stop urinating midstream. Hold for 3 seconds. Relax. Repeat 10 times. 3 sets per day. In 2 to 3 weeks, you'll feel the difference. Number 3. Practice the start-stop method. When masturbating or having sex, stop when you're close. Breathe. Resume. Repeat. This teaches your brain and body to delay gratification, improving control over time. Number 4. Supplement smartly. Some herbs and nutrients may help, especially when paired with lifestyle change. Ashwagandha lowers cholesterol and boosts testosterone. Maca root boosts libido and energy. L-arginine and L-citrulline improves blood flow. Zinc and magnesium, vital for testosterone and mood. Always consult a doctor before trying supplements, especially if you're on meds. Number 5. Cut back on porn. Take a break, at least 30 days. Rewire your brain to crave real intimacy again. During this break, avoid edging or fast stimulation. Practice a slow, intentional touch. Reconnect emotionally with your partner. Number 6. Sleep, exercise, and diet. They are not optional. They are foundational. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Hormone regulation. Exercise, especially weight training. Increase testosterone. Eat smart. Ditch sugar and fried foods. Focus on leafy greens, healthy fats, and lean protein. Hydration matters too. Your erections depend on it. Number 7. Emotional and spiritual connection. Performance improves when pressure is off. Talk to your partner, laugh, connect, pray or meditate together. Build trust and pressure will follow. When to seek help. If these issues persist despite your best effort, don't hesitate to see a urologist, endocrinologist, or sexual health coach. Sometimes underlying conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or trauma need professional care. There's no shame in that. The earlier you seek help, the better your outcomes. Let's recap. Losing an erection or finishing too fast isn't just a you problem. It's common, especially among young men. It's not permanent, and it doesn't define your masculinity. You can fix it naturally with lifestyle changes, pelvic floor training, mindfulness, and emotional awareness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for more weekly wellness content for men. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're going to try this week to take charge of your sexual health? Remember, you are more than your performance. You are whole and healing possible. Stay young, stay focused, and as always, stay whole.